swear it's a laser pointer.
Okay, look.
But I don't know how they got the two colors at the beginning. Because you didn't see it till I did. Because it was acting normal. Then it started.
Okay, look. I've got it in my...
I'm afraid if I hit it with my laser pointer, it might blow us up.
I'm trying to back my camera off. My camera won't move. Oh my god.
If it was a laser pointer, there'd be a beam.
Oh my god.
Because it's cloudy. It's not a laser pointer. But I know.
Damn.
Unless it's shining down from up above.
Oh my god. I don't know what I'm seeing.
Dude. Because I saw it for a few seconds before I said, Patty, Patty.
I know.
So, like I said, it started out with some blue lights. Looked like a
There it goes.
helicopter hovering.
Oh, it flashed white. Did you see that?
Kinda.
It flashed white again.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Bitch might go to Time Warp or fucking Portal or some shit.
I can't make this thing focus.
Can you see it with your eyeballs, or you?
I'm focused on my camera. Yes, and I see it with my eyeballs.